We'll guide you through how to download and install apps on a Dell laptop computer. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Of course, to go and fully utilize your device and computer, you can go and get apps. You can get apps for all different things, whether it's games, apps for your work, for example, to have your meetings, to go and edit text, amongst many other things as well. So we're going to guide you through this step by step, and it can go and vary on how you can go about this as well. So in some cases, you may want to go and download it straight from the manufacturer's website. In other cases, you want to go and browse through different apps you can go and get. So we're going to guide you through the different options you've got. Make sure it's full guide and don't skip anything. So to get started, let's come to the bottom and we're going to start by getting it straight from a developer's site. So in this case, I'll come to Microsoft Edge. Now what you can do is you can go and start typing in the app you want. So in this case, I want to get an app called Steam. Steam is a game marketplace and an app where we can go manage our library. You may have heard of it, may have not, but it doesn't matter. So we can go search in Steam and come to the site. Of course, different sites are going to be different with their layout, but to go and download this, we can come to the top and find install. Usually there'll be a download button at the top. So we can click here and then you can find the option for install Steam, and that'll then go and download the setup. Then what we can do is come out of here. We can go and open up File Explorer of our choice and press downloads to the left. Open up File Explorer, come to the left and you can go and press downloads, and here it is, Steam setup. So we can double click on it. You'll get a Windows CUDA pop-up. Unfortunately, that doesn't get captured. And then the installer will start. So here you can read this through and press next, choose your language, press next, choose the folder and press install. Now it's going to go and install, and we can press run Steam and press finish, and then it'll go and launch. We can go and start using it. Alternatively, there is another option, and that is going to be by browsing apps. So there is actually an app store on our computer. So loads of apps are going to be in there. Some may not be, like you can't get Steam from there. So in some cases, you do need to go to the manufacturer or developer site. But if you want to go and check out the store, we can press search at the bottom, and then you can go and click on Microsoft Store. Come to the left and you can choose between apps, games, and other as well. Then you can scroll through here and go and find the different apps or games available. When you find one you want, you can then go and click on it, and you can go and press install, and you can then go and wait for it to go and download. When it's finished, it will go and change to open, and you can press there. But if we press search at the bottom, you can go and type in the name, and there it is. And then of course we can go and click on it and open it up and go and start using it.